Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to one more video. So in today's topic, we're going to talk about the importance of learning idioms. Do you know any idioms? Do you use them? So idioms are very essential and very important for you to learn English better. You can see idioms in movies, you can see in books, and you can also see in podcasts. So that's why it's very important for you to learn at least some of them. So in this lesson, we're going to see three important ones that you can start practicing today, all right? So let's see the first one. So the first one is cost an arm and a leg. One more time, cost an arm and a leg. So let's see an example. Example number one. That new phone cost an arm and a leg. That new phone cost an arm and a leg. Let's see another example. Her wedding dress cost an arm and a leg, but she loved it. Her wedding dress cost an arm and a leg, but she loved it. Remember, this expression, so this idiom means that something is very expensive. So always when you want to say that something's very expensive, you can say this idiom. So it cost an arm and a leg. Let's see another one. Call it a day. Call it a day. One more time. Call it a day. So basically, when you say call it a day, you were working, studying, or doing something else, but you're not working anymore. So you stop that activity. So you can say call it a day. Let's see some examples. Let's call it a day and continue tomorrow. One more time. Let's call it a day and continue tomorrow. Let's see another one. You look tired. Want to call it a day? You look tired. Want to call it a day? See if that's not so difficult. Now let's see the last one, which is go the extra mile. Go the extra mile. So basically means that you're doing something what is more than expected. You're doing an extra effort to do something. So use this expression. Let's see some examples. So example number one. So she always go to the extra mile for her clients. One more time. She always goes the extra mile for her clients. Let's see another one. The customer service was excellent. They really went the extra mile. One more time. The customer service was excellent. They really went to the extra mile. So I hope you like this video and I hope you use these idioms. So if you never heard of this idiom before, just try comment down below using some examples. And I hope to see you in the next video. If you have any questions, please just comment down below and see you soon.